basically integral of x plus 1 by x whole cube. This is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Here a is equal to x and b is 1 by x. Apply this formula here. That is integral of a cube, that is x cube plus b cube. B cube means 1 by x whole cube. 1 by x whole cube can be written as 1 by x cube plus 3 into a square b. A is x, that is x square into b is 1 by x plus 3 into ab square. A is x into b square is here, b is equal to 1 by x. B square is 1 by x whole square, that is 1 by x square. 1 by x square into whole dx. That implies integral of this, take it as it is, x cube plus 1 by x cube is 1 by x cube is taken to numerator, that becomes x power minus 3 plus here 1x is cancelled, remaining 3x plus 3 into here also 1x is cancelled, 3 into remaining is 1 by x whole dx. Now apply the integration formulas. This is in the form of integral of x power n. Here n is equal to 3. This is also in the form of integral of x power n. Here n equal to minus 3. This is also in the form of integral of x power n. Here n equal to 1. This is in the form of integral of 1 by x. Or otherwise integrating to each function separately, that is integral of x cube dx plus integral of x power minus 3 dx plus 3 is a constant, take out integral of x power 1 dx plus here also 3 is a constant, take out integral of 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx. Now apply the integration formulas. This is in the form of integral of x power n. Integral of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. This is in the form of integral of 1 by x dx. Integral of 1 by x is dx is equal to log x plus. Okay. Apply these two formulas here. Now it becomes integral of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is x power 4 by 4 plus this is here n is equal to minus 3, x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus 3 into here n is equal to 1, that is x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 3 into integral of 1 by x is log x. After the integration we are adding the integral constant plus. Okay. Now this is x power 4 by 4. X power minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 2 by minus 2. Plus into minus is minus x power minus 2 by minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus is take. Plus into minus is minus plus 3 into x square by 2 plus 3 log x plus c is the answer. Okay. Okay. Next problem. Integral of root over 1 plus sine 2x dx. We have the integral of root over 1 plus sine 2x dx. We have the trigonometric identity. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Already we know that this is the trigonometric identity. In place of 1, substitute this here. And one more formula we have. We have sine 2x formula also. Sine 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Apply these two formulas here. that is integral of root over, we have the trigonometric identity. One is sin square x plus cos square x, cos square x plus sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x whole dx. That implies, now this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. That implies integral root over a square plus b square plus 2ab. That formula is a plus b whole square. That is sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Square and root is cancelled. Remaining is integral of sin x plus cos x dx. Integral of sin x plus cos x dx. We have the direct formulas for integral of sin x and integral of cos x. Integrating to each function separately, that is integral of sin x dx plus integral of cos x dx. We have the integration formulas, that is integral of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c, and integral of cos x dx is equal to cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Apply the formulas here. Apply these two formulas here. That is integral of sin x dx is minus cos x plus integral of cos x dx is sin x. After the integration, we are adding the integral constant plus c. Okay, this becomes sin x minus cos x plus c. This is the answer.